Hi guys, I'm Katie, and on my last video I did a get to know me. Now I'm gonna do another get to know me by showing you my slime. So I really do hope you like this video, and I'm sorry if the video shuts off because it will do it. But yeah, this is my first slime. I don't name them, I just do it. I just do them for fun. I'm not that person who has to name them. No? Okay. That's the first one. Second one is this. This is my Instagram, so you should go check that out. Cheerful _ slimes. And this I showed on my Instagram account. I only put that on one slime just because I'm going to be showing my slimes, so I can just do that. I'm not new to the slime booking community. I've been here for a while. And this has a bit of foam in there. Yeah. There's that one. Next one is this one, which I don't really like, and I might just throw it out. Because it's a foam, but it's hard, like really hard, and it's breaking. Yeah. Next one is this purple glitter ones. I mostly have glitter ones just because I love them. They're really beautiful. I'm in a hurry because I'm scared this video will shut off. The next one, excuse me, is like a birthday cake sort of one. And they're super stretchy, and oh sorry, that was not a good one. They're super stretchy, and if they're really thick, add a lotion. See, it's super stretchy. If I stretch even more, it might break, and it might not break. It just go out of the frame. So I did this one, I did this one, and I did this one. Babies. Next one is a blue one. It smells like blueberries. And then I have this one. It's turquoise. Yeah, and it's super stretchy, and I'm afraid that I will stretch it too much, and it will go to the camera. But there's that one. Then I have this one right here, and it's blue. This one's my gold one. I actually named this one. I named it Gold Bar. It's because I like the color of it, and I'm like, gold bar. This one is really watery. Or not water, it's a jewel slime. And it smells like mint. And it's mint chocolate chip. See, it's really jewelry. My last one that I have here in front of me is my pink one. I will show you more of my bigger ones if you want me to, so just comment down below. Subscribe and like. And this one smells good because I had a perfume or lotion in them that are scented, and it made it nice. And it smells like strawberries. I wish you guys could smell it because it smells really good. Yeah. So comment, like, and subscribe. What I should do for the next video. And subscribe. Like. Love you. Oh. Okay. And I'm Katie. Love you. Bye.